So I recently got a 3D printer, an FLSUN-Q5. It's pretty cool, but it's a little bit too loud to keep next to my desk. Most of the noise is produced by two loud fans. One in the case up top cooling the electronics, and one on the printhead. Replacing these fans is a common upgrade. It's easy to get quiet computer fans with the same dimensions. The problem is the stock fans take 24 volts, but computer fans run on 12 volts. I'm using these little buck converter modules, which are cheap and easy. They accept a wide range of inputs and can be tuned for between 0.8 and 20 volts out. The first thing I need to do is put connectors on. I'm using JST-SM connectors, which are also what's used in the thing already, so it's consistent. This is a lot easier when you have the right tool. I used to put these on with needle nose pliers, which makes it a lot harder than it needs to be. My soldering area is fairly cramped right now because there's another project that's taking a lot of space. Maybe expect a video about that next, depending on whether I can get it to a satisfying conclusion. I plugged them into the 24 volts going to one of the fans and tuned them with a screwdriver bit so they output 12 volts. Just make small adjustments and stop when you're satisfied. Then I wrap them in heat shrink for electrical insulation. A lot of people seem to print little boxes instead, but this feels a lot easier. Besides, at this point my 3D printer is disassembled. I replaced the fan connectors as well and cut the wires going from the control board to the fans so I can put connectors on and insert the converter module. I end up running a new cable down from the top to the fan on the printhead because it's too much work to extract the existing cable from the bundle. While I was in there, I also unsoldered the little buzzer from the LCD board. It serves no purpose but to be obnoxious, and it's easy to get rid of, so I did. And that's it. It took an hour or so from start to finish, and now the only sounds from the printer are the stepper motors. Critically, it's dead silent when it's idle, which is very nice. A simple upgrade, but it's totally worth it in my opinion. Thanks for watching. I'll be making more videos like this, but also about different stuff. I'm mostly a computational linguist, so you could expect some more computery, linguistic-y topics. But as you can see, I'm also getting into electronics and 3D printing, so subscribe to see more, and I'll see you next time.